Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Brainchild. And today I'm gonna teach you how to play Happy Birthday on the piano. So let's start. First, I'll show you how it sounds. Okay, so that's how it sounds. I'll show you again. Okay. Okay, so now let's start. So first we'll play C, C, D, C, F, E. So this is like this. So let's play it again. Then we'll play C, C, D, C, G, F. Now let's play both things together. Then it will be C, C, then it's this higher C. A, F, F, E, D. So let's play it again. Sorry. Now we have this one. This is A sharp, as it's a black key. So A sharp twice. A, F, G, F. So now let's play this entire thing. Well, actually, let's divide it in half first. So first part, then second part, then third part, then we have so let's play this entire song. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to this video now to watch our other videos too. Thank you. See you next time.